Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to color on Krita. First, open your Krita project and create a new layer, placing it directly beneath your line art. This keeps your colors separate and organized. Next, head over to the brush panel and pick a suitable brush, perhaps a basic solid one. Then, choose your initial color from the color selector. Remember to set your line art layer to multiply for optimal blending and visibility of your lines. For efficient flat coloring, the fill tool is your best friend. Simply select it and click within enclosed areas to fill them with your chosen color. It is crucial to ensure your line art has no open gaps. Otherwise, the color will spread unexpectedly. Consider creating separate layers for different color groups, like skin, hair, or clothing. This approach offers immense flexibility for adjustments later on, saving you valuable time and effort. Now, let's add depth with shading and highlights. Create new layers above your flat colors, setting them to clipping mask to keep colors within your base shapes. For shadows, try a multiply blending mode with a slightly desaturated version of your base color. Use a soft airbrush or a watercolor brush for gentle transitions. For highlights, a screen or overlay mode with a lighter color can make elements pop, adding a three-dimensional feel. To elevate your coloring, consider using Krita's powerful selection tools. The magic wand can quickly select areas based on color, perfect for intricate details. Color masks are also incredibly useful. They allow you to paint only within a designated area without worrying about going over the lines. Don't forget to explore Krita's extensive brush library. There are hundreds of brushes available, offering unique textures and effects that can truly bring your artwork to life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.